Okay, so in this video I will try to give you a rough overview of how the motor replacement process for any kind of RO water purifiers actually looks like. So as you can see that he is a very professional person and you should always do all this kind of stuffs from them as well. And so here basically we need to replace the motor, that is the actual motor that is there inside our RO purifier. And here as you can see that first of all the wires are removed from the motor so that it can be detachable from the socket that is there inside it. So the whole process takes at least of 15 to 20 minutes for them because they are very professional. And also the before the motor is removed, all the pipes are first disconnected from there as well. And also you will be seeing that, and here as you can see that he replaced the motor with a new one. If you want to purchase a brand new motor, then it becomes a little bit costly, but they can even repair the motor and they can even replace it with a new one. That's a different thing, then it will cost you a less. And here as you can see that after the motor gets fitted, the pipe connections are made basically. And here as you can see that after the motor is fitted in the socket, actually this is how the whole process is done. And also the and during this whole process, please make sure that the electric supply is turned off for this kind, because the motor actually uses electricity to run, and so it is very much advisable to disconnect the main supply, that is the main current. Here as you can see that after the motor is fitted, the screws are tightened as you can see so that it doesn't move. And please make sure that it is fitted properly. As you can see, after the motor is fitted perfectly in the socket, and here as you can see that the pipes are basically now joined again with the rest of the thing, that is the motor. And after that it is all done.